Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to tell about the conversion of decimal number into binary. Decimal number to binary conversion. We know that any decimal number is a combination of 9 digits, that is 0 to 9. Any decimal number is a combination of these 10 digits 0 to 9, and hence the base of the decimal number is 10. Now we are going to convert this decimal number into binary format, binary number. So how can we convert this decimal number into binary number? Means, let you take one example for decimal number to binary conversion. Let you take one example. 38.15 is the decimal number. At the suffix of this number we are writing 10. That can be read as base 10. Hence it is the decimal number. Here in this number it has two parts. One is integer part. This 38 is integer part, and after decimal 0.15 is fractional part. First you take the integer part. Here 38 is integer part. First you divide this integer part with base 2. You have to divide this number, integer part with 2. With 2. Now 19 twos are 38, and there is no remainder. That means the remainder is 0. You have to divide the given number with 2. Now what happens? 19 twos are 38 and the remainder is 0. Now again you have to divide this quotient, whatever the quotient occurred, you have to divide this quotient with 2. 9 twos are 18, 9 twos are 18 and the remainder gets as 1. Again you have to divide this quotient, whatever the quotient occurred, here quotient is 9. You have to divide this quotient with 2. 4 twos are 8 and the remainder is 1. 4 twos are 8 and the remainder is 1. Again you have to divide this quotient 4 with 2 by 2 by 2. Now what happens? 2 twos are 4 and the remainder gets 0. Now you have to divide this quotient by 2. 1 twos 2 and the remainder is 0. And the remainder is 1 2 2, the remainder is 0. Now you have to divide this quotient by 2. What happens? 0 twos are 0. Now what happens? The remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. Now there is no possibility for division. Now you have to collect all these. You have to collect all these reminders. You have to collect all these reminders from bottom to top. You have to collect all these reminders from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Now what happens? 38 base 10 is equal to 38 base 10 is equal to, what are the reminders here? You have to consider, you have to collect the reminders from bottom to top. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Base 2. So the equivalent of decimal 38 is equal to the 100 110 base 2. that is about the conversion of integer part into binary. Conversion of integer part of decimal number into binary. Now we are coming to the fractional part. What is fractional part here? 0.15 is fractional part. Now, whatever the fractional part is there, have to multiply with 2. Now, what happens? 0.15 into 2 is equal to 0.30. Now, you have to take the fractional part only here. What is the fractional part here? 0.30 and again multiply with 2. That is equal to 0.60. Again take the fractional part whatever occurs. 0.60 into 2. That is equal to 1.20. 1.20. Again take the fractional part only here. 0.20 into 2. That is equal to 0.40. Again take the fractional part whatever occurs. 40 into 2. That is equal to 0.80. Again take the fractional part whatever occurs here in 0.80 and multiply with 2 that is equal to 0.80 into 2 means 1.60. This process can be continued until the answer is 0 or the fractional part is recurring. That means here 0.60 occurs and again in this step the 0.60 occurs. This process, this multiplication with fractional number, with fractional part is continued up to the answer is 0 or the fractional part is recurring. Here 0.60 occurs, in this step 0.60 occurs. Now you have to start this process and collect all the integer parts whatever occurs here while multiplying the fractional part. While multiplying the fractional part, take the integer parts from top to bottom. That means 0.15 is the decimal number is equal to, what happens? Take the integers from top to bottom. That means 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. As this is fractional part, 0 point. Now take the integer values 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now join this integer equivalent of binary number and fractional part equivalent binary number. What happens here? Therefore 38.15 base 10 is equal to, what is the binary number here? 100,110 point. What is about 0.1 equivalent binary number? Means 00101 of base 2. That is the process of converting the decimal number into binary number. This is about the conversion of decimal number into binary number. In the next section, we are going to discuss about the conversion of octal to binary. Okay, thank you.